morning students. Now class 6. Today you have to read the process of filtration. Filtration is a process by which we separate the insoluble substance from a mixture with the help of filtered paper. Now what is filtered paper? First you have to know. Filtered paper is a round porous paper which is found in laboratory. Now this type of paper, that is round paper, now this is the round paper, but it is porous. It is porous, that is holes present in this, and this filters the fine insoluble particles. Now what are the apparatus we have to collect for filtration process? That is beaker. Here beaker is not available, but in your book you see the beaker. Now suppose that this is the beaker. Now funnel. Funnel is the glass funnel. You see the funnel in your book, that is glass funnel. It is found in laboratory, but we see in our home, that is this type of funnel. Only it is here, it is of plastic, and that is of glass. Now we use this funnel. At first we hold this filter paper edge, then in this manner. Now we take 3 edge this and 1 edge. This is of cone shaped. You see, that is ice cream. You eat the ice cream in cone shaped. Now this is the cone shaped structure. And now it is fitted in this funnel. We fit the funnel as like. Now we put it in the beaker. Suppose that this is the beaker, and we filter the mixture from this with the help of this. Now we see the fresh water, that is liquid, comes in this glass, and impurities remains on this filtered paper. Impurities remains on this filtered paper and liquid come here. This is the filtration process. Understand? In which we use the filtered paper, which separates the insoluble substance from the mixture. Now you see it in a kitchen, that your mummy prepares the tea. When tea is prepared, Then it is filtered with the help of a strainer. You see the strainer? And when your mummy filtered the tea through the strainer, we see that tea leaves comes on a strainer and tea comes in the cup. Understand? Now the tea is called filtrate. Understand? This is called filtrate. The substance which come in this is called filtrate, and the substance which on filter paper, that is called residue. Understand? What is called? Which is on the filter paper, that is called residue, and this the liquid comes in this is called filtrate. Understand? Now in tea we see that the tea comes in cup, that is the filtrate, and the tea leaves which remains on a strainer, that is called the residue. Understand? Now you will have to separate the fine particles which is insoluble and present in mixture with the help of filtration process. Now you will have to do this process. Understand? Okay.